Today I am reviewing these super cool battery powered LED wall lights. They have a charger for USB-C up here, and then they have a button down here so you can use them without the remote. Simply tap, you get your warm light, cool light, you get their three different light settings. And they come with two remotes with the AAA batteries included. You get, this is a two light set, has this cool like matte black and gold finish. And these LED lights, you can push them so they're turned out to get a different effect or make them backlit. You could turn these over to the side to get this kind of look. So they're pretty versatile, whatever you want. Kind of like a lightsaber now that I'm looking at it, or maybe I'm that much of a nerd. But you can put them on a timer. You can put them on 100%, 50%, 20%. So you can make a nice dim light. That's why these would be great to put like, on the two sides of like your headboard of your bed or something like that, where you just want a little reading light, a little backlight with not that harsh light. You can change these right here, the 3K, 4K, and 6500K. You can put it on a demo setting so it moves all around however you want. You can change the dimness up and down, the temperature up and down, however you want. And they're super easy to use. It just simply just screws in with this right here, and then the base set, which has the battery included, goes on right here. And they do last a long time because they are such efficient lights that they will not need to be recharged very often. You simply just pull this up and then put it back on the dock or run a charger straight to it. What's really nice is you can put these up without having to do any sort of electrical work. That's going to save you a lot of money. Instead of adding lights, having to run wires, do all this stuff, hire an electrician, etc., tear apart your walls, it just mounts this simply. Also a great solution if, say, you're renting and you don't want such a permanent thing like that where you don't have permission. It's just two little screw holes right here, easy to patch up when you move out. And I hope this video helped you with your buying decision.